Number 5. Hamilton Beach 7-speed stand mixer. This Hamilton Beach budget pick was among the most affordable models we tested and earned a high score in nearly every evaluation. Our kitchen appliance pros were impressed with its ability to both whip delicate egg whites into stiff peaks and quickly and evenly knead bread dough. It comes with a handle on top to make lifting the head super easy, plus it suctions to your countertop so it'll stay in place when you're mixing. All attachments are dishwasher safe. You can go from a slow stir to a fast mix with exact control of each setting. A helpful guide at the mixer's top lets you know which speed to use for various mixing methods. Number 4. Anker's Rum Original Kitchen Machine. If you're ready for a top-of-the-line mixer for superior baking, Anker's Rum's Original Kitchen Machine is an excellent choice. The Swedish-designed appliance is a favorite of baking experts at King Arthur Baking, which calls the machine the gold standard of mixers for bread baking. Made of incredibly sturdy chrome and steel, the 600-watt mixer is strong enough to mix heavy doughs and yeasted breads without overheating. Additionally, the Anker's Rum's unique motor-in base design gives several advantages. It keeps the mixer from rocking as it works, makes it much easier to add ingredients to the bowl, and means the machine fits conveniently under overhead cabinets. What's more, the base turns on its side to transform into a wide variety of other kitchen tools, including a juicer, a blender, a meat grinder, and a pasta maker. Number 3. Wolf Gourmet Stand Mixer. With its solid construction, brushed stainless steel finish, and large red knob, the Wolf Gourmet Stand Mixer, like its namesake range, has the appeal of a commercial appliance designed for a serious cook. And Wolf claims that thanks to its 7-quart bowl and powerful motor, it can make 14 dozen cookies or 8 one-pound loaves. But just like other products from the brand, this mixer comes at a steep price that's more than double what you'll pay for a KitchenAid. In addition, this is one large and heavy appliance that won't fit under your cabinets. Once you set it up on your countertop, you're not going to want to move it. All of which means that if you're considering investing in the Wolf Gourmet, you should be a dedicated baker who bakes often and in large quantities. Number 2. Cuisinart SM50BC Precision Master 5.5-quart Stand Mixer. More affordable than our top pick, but with a similar tilt-back motor head design, this Cuisinart stand mixer is a great choice for beginner bakers, brand devotees, or anyone who wishes to save a few dollars on a stand mixer without sacrificing quality or power. It's constructed of metal, has a 500-watt motor, and can be operated at 12 different speeds with the turn of a dial. It features a 5.5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl, which offers plenty of capacity for cakes, cookies, and breads, and comes with a whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddles, and splash guard with pouring spout. Customers who chose the Cuisinart over more expensive stand mixers haven't regretted the choice. They say it's durable, built to last, and praise its quiet yet powerful performance. It's available in 6 colors to match a variety of kitchen decor and backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Number 1. KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart stand mixer with pouring shield. KitchenAid is a culinary icon, and for good reason. The brand introduced the stand mixer to American homes back in 1919 and has held a devoted following ever since. Its celebrated Artisan Series 5-quart stand mixer is a kitchen classic, designed with 10 speeds and a powerful motor to easily whip, knead, and mix ingredients. The machine accommodates more than 10 different attachments, has a tilt-head design for easy bowl access, and features an innovative hub that transforms the stand mixer into a variety of tools, like an ice cream maker, pasta maker, and spiralizer. It's also worth mentioning that KitchenAid's mixers come in a rainbow of 47 different colors, from blue velvet to matte dried rose, which vary in price. Now that we've shown you the best mixers for baking out there, let's talk about a few things you should look for before buying one. Capacity. Like batch baking for cake sales, you'll need a larger bowl capacity and perhaps a more powerful mechanism that'll plow through larger volumes of mix. Buy the biggest machine you can afford and will fit in your kitchen. Versatility. Stand mixers can work hard with the right attachments, which include everything from pasta rollers to sausage makers. Study the number of bolt-on accessories available if you want to use your machine frequently for lots of kitchen tasks. Weight. If you're short on counter space and will be hauling the stand mixer in and out of storage, be aware that some of them can be very hefty. If you struggle with your back, this is a significant consideration.